Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelets yummy. First, selecting the right ingredients is crucial. Always opt for the freshest eggs you can find. They truly make a difference in taste and texture. A small amount of milk or cream, about 1 tablespoon per 2 eggs, can enhance richness. Whisking your eggs properly until they are light and slightly foamy incorporates air for a fluffy result. This simple step elevates your omelet from good to great. Now, let's talk about fillings and seasoning. Pre-cooking your vegetables, such as bell peppers or onions, ensures they are tender and flavorful, not crunchy, in your finished omelet. For cheese, select varieties that melt beautifully, like a sharp cheddar or a nutty Gruyere, adding a creamy texture. Don't forget to season your eggs well with salt and freshly ground black pepper before cooking. This is key for a balanced taste. Achieving the perfect cook is next. A good quality nonstick pan, ideally around 8 inches, is essential to prevent sticking and ensure easy flipping. Cook your omelet over medium-low heat. This allows the eggs to set slowly and evenly without browning too quickly. As the edges begin to set but the center is still slightly runny, gently fold one half over the other. This technique creates that classic, tender omelet texture. Finally, let's discuss serving and a helpful tip. For the absolute best experience, serve your yummy omelet immediately after cooking, while it's still warm and fluffy. A sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as finely chopped chives or parsley, adds a vibrant touch and enhances the overall presentation and flavor. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your ingredients fresh.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.